What causes HVAC contactors to wear out? Heating, ventilation, and air conditioning contactors wear out mainly from electrical arcing, excessive heat, dirt, moisture, vibration, and too many start and stop cycles. A contactor is an electrically controlled switch that sends power to the outdoor compressor and fan. When the thermostat calls for cooling, a small coil pulls metal contacts together so electricity can flow. When those contacts meet or separate, a tiny spark called an arc can appear. Over time, repeated arcing burns and pits the contact surfaces, which can cause weak or interrupted electrical flow. High voltage, low voltage, or a loose wire can make the coil and contacts run hotter than they should. A dirty or rusty outdoor cabinet can let moisture and grit reach the contactor, speeding up corrosion. Short cycling, which means the system starts and stops many times in a short period, creates far more wear than normal operation. A less obvious cause is a failing compressor or fan motor, because it can draw unusually high starting current and damage the contactor each time it starts. To help prevent trouble, keep the outdoor unit clear, replace clogged filters, and have an electrician measure the voltage and motor current instead of guessing from appearance. One common mistake is replacing a badly burned contactor without finding the cause, so have the system checked for high current, low voltage, and loose connections. Another misconception is that slightly dark contacts are always harmless, but deep pits, melted plastic, buzzing, or visible sparking mean the part should be tested and usually replaced by a qualified technician. Also, do not touch the contactor just because the thermostat is off, since dangerous voltage may still be present. Shut off the proper disconnect and verify power is absent before any inspection. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.